Dark Secrets of Ekta Kapoor. Number 1. Fashion Sense. She may be extremely successful as a TV producer, but she was never known for her fashion sense. And so, she had caught the attention of the fashion critics for all the wrong reasons. Reports often state that despite being rich and famous, fashion is surely not her cup of tea. And she also needs to hire a better stylist. Number 2. Fight with Rajiv Khandelwal. Rajiv Khandelwal was one of the most popular finds of Ekta Kapoor. He rose to a fame with the character of Sujal in the hit TV show Kahin To Hoga. The show was produced by Ekta production company Balaji Telefilms. But things turned so when he declared that he could have made it big even without Ekta Kapoor. This understandably did not go down too well with Ekta Kapoor. She declared that she would never work with him again. The fight continued for a long time, but finally the two decided to reconcile. Fight with Smriti Irani. This was one of the most famous fallouts of the TV world. Smriti Irani was the leading lady of Ekta Kapoor's biggest hits Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. The two ladies also shared a great bond with each other. But things went broken when they had an ugly spat and Smriti Irani quit the show. Ekta replaced Smriti with Gautami Kapoor, but the TRPs took a serious hit. Thus, Ekta had to reconcile and bring Smriti back on the show. Number 4. Adult Clause in Contract. Ekta Kapoor has added an adult clause to her contract to ensure that actors who sign up with her do not object to any intimate scene or provocative dialogue in the script. The Central Board of Film Certification may have scared away several filmmakers, but Ekta is going ahead with the contract and to ensure that none of the debutants working on the project can later object to shooting. That seems she had inserted the adult clause in their contract. Thank you for watching.